How's it going? Mike here, The Fresh Rinse, on location in Beckett Ridge. This is a subdivision in Westchester, Ohio. Squirt and I are on location here today to wash this house and that roof. This should be a fun project. The customer's not home. Notice they left the porch light on. Dang it. I told them to turn off all the lights. It is an amazingly dirty home. We plan to make it clean. Squirt is on property protection somewhere doing her thing, and I'm going to begin by washing the roof. I've already been up there to clean debris off of the roof. They have gutter guards and they have nothing at the end of the downspout, so we're good to go. I unfortunately left my standoff stabilizer at the house, so I'm being ultra careful, and we're going to put a bungee cord over the ladder to keep it from falling. Now, a moment ago, I mentioned the downspouts on the other end of the house have nothing at the end. They just fall down to the ground. Something to keep in mind on this particular house, the gutters are pretty well packed, even though they have gutter guards. It's the old kind. They're not concerned about that. As much as I spoke to it, that is the route that they went. So everything is, with the exception of this one, is perfectly fine. We'll put a bag on this one and then commence to washing. All right, I've got Squirt on property protection. She is below me, watering all the vegetation, taking care of all of that for me, and doing a fantastic job. This home, honestly, I'm not even sure that you can see the roof from the ground. That's neither here nor there. They've hired me to wash the roof, and so I'm going to do that. This shouldn't take long at all. I'm shooting about a 5% all over the entire surface of the roof, and I'm confident that's going to work just fine. It is already cleaning very, very nicely. She's doing fantastic, guys. I'm super proud of how she's participating. She has lots of attention to detail. She's like her old man, and she's taking initiative. She's watching where I'm going. She pulls my hose to keep me from pulling down landscape lights and all that stuff. I couldn't be happier. I mentioned a moment ago that I'm shooting about a 5% sodium hypochlorite mixture. The fact of the matter is, there is no real mixture. I'm not using any surfactant, zero surfactant. This is a walkable roof. With a walkable roof, I don't waste money and time on surfactant. You can see that I'm getting virtually no runoff whatsoever, and therefore soap is not necessary. While I'm up here, I'm going to get these rake boards. I couldn't get that from the ground if I tried, but that'll take care of the rake boards. And this roof has taken about, I've been up here maybe 10 or 15 minutes. So you can see I have zero runoff. The gutters are pretty well packed, so I'm not concerned at all about the downspouts, and the transition is absolutely amazing. I'm confident they'll be very, very happy. This section of roof, which is closest to the street and probably visible from the street, is considerably worse. So this will take a little extra application, but I'm confident it will come out just fine. And while I'm up here, I'm going to go ahead and wash this end of the home, which is all vinyl. You can see it is already dead, and after a good rain, all of this will come down off the roof. No rinsing. Yeah, you can see this is turning white as snow. It will die. In fact, it's already dead. And then again, after a good rain or two, all of this will come down. All that is explained already to the homeowner. The transition is instantaneous. Oh yeah! So this end of the home, the front side, the north side, gets zero sun all day long. It's just afternoon, and even in the evening, the sun sets over here. I bet it gets very little sunlight. Squirt is over here cleaning this end of the home, and you can see it's absolutely filthy. So here we are on the back side of the home. She's doing a fantastic job. I'm teaching her to start at the bottom and work her way up, and she's doing a great job. Yeah, you can see how dirty this is. So I just spoke to the homeowner's father. Up until then, I have not seen anyone from this particular opportunity. This was a contact via text. I'm confident there's a 5-star Google review coming. We had 3 opportunities yesterday. We got 3 5-star Google reviews. 3 opportunities today. We're going to shoot for 3 more 5-star Google reviews. All right, let's take a real quick look around. This thing came out absolutely amazing. Michaela is wrapping up all of the hoses. I'm going to take a few after pictures, send it to the homeowner. I will then send them the invoice via text, and Lord willing, by this afternoon, I will be paid. Hey, if you enjoy pressure washing videos like these, be sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Leave a comment and then hit the bell tab. We'll get to spend lots of time together. All right, for Squirt, I am the Fresh Rinse, and we are out.